Good evening, friends. Friday, we had a very bearish day. Markets went down badly to around 16,140 levels and then bounced back sharply to around 16,450 levels and then finally settled around 16,240 levels. So, on a daily basis, Nifty has formed a neutral harami candle, so anything can happen from here. So the major support is around 16,000, sorry, 15,943, and then the next support level is around 15,663. So if the war situation is normal, then markets may move up, or it may come down to these levels. So at present it has taken strong support at 16,141 levels, and it should not break this level and then come down. If it breaks, then it will definitely should test this level. So let us see how it goes. On the upper side, once it crosses 16,450, then it can go up to 16,600 and then 16,700 levels, and then it may test 16,815, which is the high between in the last 5-6 trading sessions. So let us see how it goes. It all depends on the war situation and then what's happening around the world. So do watch the situation in the morning and then trade. This is purely a technical view. So then I'll just give some brief about the Bank Nifty now. So as you can see, Bank Nifty has formed a bearish harami pattern. So this means that even if Bank Nifty goes up, it will again definitely should come down. So the major support is around now 33,991 levels, and then next support is around 33,506. On the upper side, it can go up to 35,000 and then 35,550 levels if there is a bullishness in the market. But as I can see, if the markets go up, it is again definitely a sell on rise market. Let's see, because on the upper side, it is not able to hold. So as the market moves up, there is heavy selling happening. So let us see how it goes on tomorrow. Do watch what happens in the morning and then trade. So now I'll give you idea about two stocks. One is Birla Cable. So if you see this Birla Cable on the daily chart, it has formed a rounding bottom pattern. It broke out at around 122 levels, and then it went up again. It retested, and then it has moved up. And in the falling markets, it is holding, and then in fact it was on the positive side. So expect this to move to higher levels. Like if I go to the weekly chart, so you can expect this to touch around 180, 202, and then 229 levels. But of course, you need patience to hold this because this is on a weekly chart. It may take some time, but there is a lot of bullishness in this stock because if you see the volumes are continuously rising as the rounding bottom has completed. So as you see here, the volumes are less, and as you see here, as the rounding bottom completed and then retested, the volumes have increased. So obviously this should test around 200 levels in say a month or 2 months time. So if you have got patience, you can take a trade in this. So I'm just going to give you details about one more stock which has given a breakout on Friday. So the markets were bearish, but still the stock stood strong and it has moved up very sharply after falling from around say 160 levels. It was down up to 95 levels, and then it has formed a bottom around 95 levels, and then it has moved strongly at this point with huge volumes. So the volume details you can see here, but the parameters like stochastic oscillator and uh, moving average and then MACD are not in favor immediately. So there may be a small correction in this and then it may move up again. So take a trade, have a look in the morning and then take a trade accordingly. So thank you. Uh, Thank you, and then have a good trading tomorrow. Do watch what is happening around the world. Do watch the war situation, and then do watch world markets, and then take trade because all the external factors are affecting a lot in the way the market behaves. So have a good trading day tomorrow. Thank you.